Hi guys, this is Rashmeet Kaur and welcome back to my channel Kitabi Buli Ladki. So the book that we are going to review today is Interpreter of Maladies. The video was supposed to come yesterday on her birthday, but I couldn't shoot for some reason. Better late than never. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So before talking about the book, let me tell you some interesting points about the book and the author. The author Jhumpa Lahiri is an American author of Indian origin. The book Interpreter of Maladies is her debut novel, which was written in the year 1999, and this book also won Pulitzer Prize along with many other prestigious awards. The book is a collection of 9 short stories and has a subtle representation of the Bengali culture, as the author herself belongs to a Bengali family and her parents are the immigrants of West Bengal from India. As I told you that this book is a collection of 9 short stories. These all stories revolve around immigrant families, not necessarily from India but also from East Pakistan, that is Bangladesh. The first story talks about this young couple called Shobha and Sukumar who are madly in love, but then a tragedy befalls upon them and their relationship changes forever. Then they start playing this game of confessions to each other each night. Not this game. Is this game gonna revive their relationship or worsen it? That is the story. The title of the book, Interpreter of Maladies, is after the third story in the book after the same name. The story talks about this immigrant family has come on vacation to India, and on their way to the Konark temple, that is Sun Temple, their conversation takes an interesting turn when their tourist guide, Mr. Kapaski, tells them about his job besides being a tourist guide. My favorite story is When Pirzada Came to Dine. This story is about this person Pirzada, who is an immigrant from East Pakistan, who at that time was at the verge of war with Pakistan for the separate state, now Bangladesh. So the story revolves around him going to an Indian family, and everything about this story is certainly beautiful. The stories in this novel are plain and nothing out of ordinary. And I think that was the purpose of the author, to make us realize, like people sitting in our own country thinking that immigrants have a great good fortune as soon as they shift to another country, or they become rich, bourgeois, aristocrat, whatever word comes in your mind. So it is to show us that their life is as simple and as struggling as ours. Not everyone who goes to another country to live there, to settle there, is rich off or financially stable. The stories also talks about basically a cultural dilemma that is in their mind when they shift from their own country, leaving their own culture behind and try to fit in the another country. So I think the purpose of the book was to make us realize that grass is always greener on the other side. That is what we think. But the reality is that everybody's life is a struggle in itself, be it you are in India or be it when you are living outside. The book also received critical and mixed reviews in India because Indians were not painted as high profile or aristocrat, or maybe very not in a very good light. But I think the purpose of the book was to keep it realistic, and that is why I loved the book. Now the language of the book is quite simple. It's beginner friendly, but it is also very descriptive. Thus, if you are a beginner but also a teenager, I do not recommend you this book. Comparing to other books, this was my first Jhumpa Lahiri's book. Other books like Namesake or her recent book Whereabouts, I haven't read them yet, so I cannot compare this book with them. But in its own, this is a book that I want to recommend, and yes, it's a worth read. Thank you. That was my review for today. If you liked my very crisp and short review, please follow my channel. Thank you.